Do you know that you can solve the recurring decimals questions within a second? How is it possible? Yes, it's possible with a simple trick. So let's understand that trick, and those questions you will be solving in a minute during the exams. So what type of questions basically asked from this part? That is that how to convert the recurring decimals into fraction. So first of all, we'll understand that what is a recurring number. So here, the number or the value which are repeating themselves. So as you can see, the first question, it's saying that 0.79 and both are recurring. So the question is 0.797979 and so on. And your task is to convert it into fraction. So my dear student, just write down whatever the value is given to you as it is, and now see that how many digits are recurring. So we are having two digits here. So we will be dividing it by 9 and 9. So this is the answer. After that, if you see the second question, see whatever the number is given before decimal, write it down as it is. And then the number which is there after decimal, write it down. And now check that how many digits are there which are recurring. That is only two. It's 0 and 9. So divided by 9, 9. But there is a twist. Now check that which digit is not recurring in the decimal part, that is 7. So we'll subtract 7 from that is 709, and then we'll put 10 along with double 9. So we will be getting the answer as 3 whole 700 over 990, and you can further reduce it. Now see the third question. We will be writing down the digit before decimal as it is. Now check that how many digits are recurring. That is 3, 7, 6 and 9. So we'll write down 7, 6 and 9 in the numerator part, and in denominator we will be getting 999. So this is the answer. Now see the fourth question. So we will see that how many digits are there, that is 3. So we'll write it down as it is. Now how many digits are recurring, it's 2. So we'll divide it by 9, but the digit which is not recurring, we'll do the subtraction, we'll find out the difference between them and put the 0 in the denominator. So we will be getting the answer, that is 274 over 990. Is it simple or not? Yes, it is. So bye bye. We'll meet in the next video soon.